Natural gas finally has seen a little retracement as we expected in our daily and weekly review. For that first couple of days, possibly we may see a little retracement in nat gas. It can try to again move towards 3.4, 3.3 levels at best. Now, see what has happened yesterday. It has gone close to it, has achieved higher highs at 3.6 and has since then reached. Also, one must note that it is almost close to double bottom levels, though there is a slight gap which is yet to be filled. So, which position you should take trading natural gas today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. We'll start with the hourly charts and move towards the daily charts. So, do watch till the end. Towards the end, I will give you the trading levels and summary. Listen to it carefully, trade as per the levels. And yes, if you appreciate the effort, do like, share, subscribe, and comment, friends. Your every like, share, subscribe, and comment is a great support, great motivation for me to deliver to the best of my abilities. With that, let's now see, firstly on the hourly charts, you will find 3.5 levels as a greater resistance. You can see multiple candles getting reversed from the same zone. And hence, if you see it is staying above 3.5, but also see if even if it stays above 3.5, 3.52, 5.4 and 5.6. Yes, as long as 3 is respected, we have to be cautious alert. Only beyond 3.56 is where we are looking forward to a rally again, and then it can try to breach 3.6 and 3.7 levels. Now, what has happened so far? See, whenever prices diverge from the 20 period, it has converged the divergence and the convergence, and it is again trying to consolidate here. Remember, it is not yet breached, in fact, 3.44 levels yet. So, yes, below 3.44, in fact, even if it breaches 3.44, 3.42 is the first support level. You can note that there is a gap to be filled, and this is also the 50 period, which makes it a great support, and below 3.4 to 3.4 is the maximum support zone. Now also let me show you something. See, this was the consolidation and this was the breakout here, and this is the first support zone at 3.3. You should note that 3.3 is the level from where this rally has started, and this is again going to be a great support. Stochastic is oversold. MACD is divergent, bearish, looking downwards. It can continue further. RSI is also looking down, trying to trade bearish. Coming to two similar observation, the price converged slightly. It failed to stay, but it has converged slightly. Now this time it is just trying to converge fully. It can try to take the support at around 20 period moving average sitting at 3.45 levels. And that is why I say a selling entry can be taken at 3.44, but then 3.42 and 3.4 are two major support levels. Below that, only further bearishness will be seen. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD is divergent. MACD is bearish. It is vertically down, and it can stress the drop for a while before reversing. RSI is also come out of the overbought zone and trading with a slight bearish bias. Now look at 3 hour. Likewise, on the 3-hour charts, resistance here trying to trade with bearish bias. Support is seen at 3.4442 and 4 levels below, and yes, the 20 period is also at 3.4, which is also great support. Below 3.4, the next support is directly to 3.35 and 3.3 levels, which are indeed a great support here. Stochastic trading comfortable near to bottom. Now look at MACD on the 3-hour charts. It has just crossed over, and I had told you yesterday also, I am again telling this crossover is coming at its higher levels, and hence it can stress the drop for a while. Now this drop could be a little bit slower than what we are expecting, because it will wait for the indicators to cool down with a modest zone, and we all know that there are supports at 3.3, 3.2 and ultimately 3.05, 3.0. Now if you look at RSI was overbought. It has come out of the overbought zone. It is trading with comfort right now, but it is still very near to the overbought zone. Look at 4-hour. On the 4-hour charts, higher lows, lower highs, consolidation here. Breaking below 3.44, just stay short for 3.4, 3.35, 3.3 levels. That is the first support zone. What is happening right now? The prices are too much divergent from the 20 period. It can at best try to converge towards the 20 period, stabilize here for a while, and then again resume the rally. Very much possible. Right now, moving averages are trading with divergence. We can see moving averages stabilizing at a certain point, and then a rally to be expected. Stochastic has dropped here. MACD has again crossed over at the top, trying to trade with slight bearish bias. This is the first red candle here. We may see it continuing further on the downside. Remember, it has seen very higher levels, and hence it has to retrace a little on the downside before reversing. RSI coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to the daily. Now on the daily charts, moving averages accelerating on the upside, looking upwards. This also makes 3.2 levels as a great support. What will happen? We can see a probable red candle today then a swing candle yesterday, and then this reversal. By the time the moving averages will come up towards 3.2, and once the 3.2 levels are achieved, we can try to or net gas prices might try to reverse. Thus, you have to trade with caution on the downside. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is extremely divergent and bullish. See the candle size diminishing. It suggests that possibly we may see a little bit of conversion. Even if it has to stay bullish, we can see a price conversion means slight bearishness. RSI certainly staying overbought. Now, before I give you the trading levels and strategy, yes, if you want to learn this art, you should join my mentorship batch. The 26th batch is going to start on 16th of October. Only few seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. And if you want to be my part of Signals Group, reach out to me on the same IDs. At the same time, join the free Telegram channel to get the live market updates. All the links are mentioned in the channel and video description. And yes, before leaving the video, press the like button, do share, subscribe and comment. Now looking at this, first of all, I'll recommend you to buy today only if you see prices staying above 3.5. Now 3.5 is the critical resistance, and even if you see prices staying above 3.5, remember 3.5 to 5456, three levels it needs to break past by. Staying above 3.56, just forget all the indicators which are overbought or oversold. Just forget everything. Stay long above 3.56. That is very clear. We can look forward to 3.6 and then 3.8 levels very soon. But I expect that today again we might see bearishness in net gas, and that is why I recommend you to sell here at 3.44. Below 3.44 one can expect 3.42 and 3.4 as the first support levels. Below 3.4 more bearishness will prevail. We will look forward to 3.35 and 3.3 levels as the next major targets. And remember, these are very good support levels at 3.35 and 3.3. In fact, if it continues its downward journey tomorrow also, 3.2 levels will get achieved and the possible reversal from those levels is expected. Now let me give you a key strategy that as long as prices stay above 3.05, 3.02 levels, every dip towards 3.05, if you are getting anything towards 3.05, 3.02 levels, you can buy that time natural gas any point of time this week, next week. If you find these levels, just buy and possibly expect more rise. On the downside, this zone at 3.0502 first, very strong support zone. This should not be breached, and then ultimately 2.8 should not be breached in any case. For more bearishness in the near term, when I say near term, for next few weeks, these levels will be sacrosanct. And take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Stay tuned with the more updates. Do press the bell icon and do watch the next update tomorrow morning with the HR session for natural gas. Thank you.